Hey everybody, welcome to Beyond the Body. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 best exercises for your stomach and thighs. Be sure to stick through the entire video so you can better decide which workout you want to add to your routine. Now before we jump right in, be sure to click the link in the description for our #1 weight loss recommendation. And also, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. Having a fit stomach and toned thighs can bring great health benefits. Not only will having strong abdominal muscles and thighs reduce the risk of common aches and pain, they could also help to improve our physical performance when we're engaging in any activity. A fit core and lower body can also help us maintain better posture, allowing us to sit upright without putting strain on our neck and lower body. Furthermore, having a fit stomach can help to improve digestion and how well your body is able to absorb nutrients from food. Lastly, having toned legs and abdominals will help us look more toned, which in turn can result in improved self-esteem and confidence. Keeping your stomach and thighs fit is an investment well worth making. Starting with number 10, reverse crunches. If you're looking for an effective way to get rid of stubborn fat in your stomachs and thighs, reverse crunches are a great choice. Not only do they help tone your muscles and burn fat, but they also increase core strength and stability. Start by lying on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Engage your abdominal muscles to slowly raise your legs off the ground towards the ceilings. Then lower them again slowly before repeating the exercise. This simple motion can give you powerful results quickly. Plus, it requires just short bursts of energy, making it suitable for those short on time or who don't have access to gym equipment. Reverse crunches can be easily incorporated into any workout routine to get that toned stomach and thighs you've been wanting. Number 9. Crunches. Although a full cardio workout is essential for health, targeted exercises can give you the tone and strong appearance that many people strive for. Crunches are especially beneficial in targeting the stomach and thigh areas if done correctly. It's important to work with correct form during crunches to really benefit from them and avoid injury. Getting started is relatively easy. Simply lie down on the floor, supported by an exercise mat or towel, and curl up into a crunch position. Depending on how tight and strong you'd like your abs to be, you can perform several repetitions of crunches. After completing a few sets at the most comfortable resistance level, increase the difficulty by adding weights such as medicine ball or dumbbells to your routine. Not only will this help strengthen your abdominal muscles, but it can also provide some cardio exercise depending on how many reps and sets you do. And with added benefits ranging from improved posture to enhanced agility, it's no wonder that crunches remain one of the most popular exercises for sculpting a toned midsection. When performing crunches, focus on tightening your abs while slowly lifting and lowering your back, keeping your feet anchored firmly on the ground. You should also contract your thighs as you go up to truly target those specific areas. Working crunches into a routine regularly will help provide lasting strength, tone, and stability throughout the entire abdominal areas over time. Number 8, Pilates Rollups. Pilates Rollups are an effective exercise for strengthening the abdominal muscles and toning the thighs. When done correctly, these exercises can help to improve balance posture, coordination, and core strength. Starting in a seated position with the knees bent and feet flat on the ground, pulling in your stomach muscles helps to create a strong foundation for this move. When you roll up into your toes, contracting your stomach muscles as you inhale and maintaining a straight line from head to toe will help you get the most out of your Pilates roll-ups. By rolling through the motion of the exercise, your abdominal areas is strengthened while improving core stability at the same time. Your thighs also receive a workout as they assist the upper body during movements such as inversion and abduction techniques. Not only do Pilates roll-ups provide benefits to these specific areas, but they also contribute positively to overall muscle toning throughout your body. With regular practice and form tending, you'll begin seeing results in no time. Finally, when you slowly lower it back down into the seated position while expelling the air through your lips, it's important to keep engaging the abs. This will help with engaging those deep abdominal muscles. Allowing sufficient rest time between sets can also aid in optimal results. Number 7, scissor kicks. If you're looking for a stomach and thigh workout with a twist, then scissor kicks are for you. These exercise moves targets your lower body power, engaging your thighs, glutes, and core as you go. When executing the move, keep your back flat against the floor, maintaining full contact from shoulder blades to feet. Focus on keeping control as you alternate each leg while lifting and pushing towards the opposite arm. Start off slowly, building speed as you get comfortable with the movement. Thinking of it almost like a dance step can help. As you increase speed and intensity, this challenging exercise will help to tone and shape your stomach and thighs through resistance and cardio movements. Scissor kicks are great for those who want to shake up their fitness routine for ultimate results. Number 6. Boat pose. The boat pose, also known as Navasana in yoga, is a challenging exercise that targets the abdominal muscles and can help burn belly fat. To perform the boat pose, you sit with your knees bent. Lift your feet off the ground and balance on your sit bones while extending your arms parallel to the ground. This pose engages the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, which can help to strengthen the abdominal area. Additionally, the boat pose requires holding the body in a challenging position, which can increase the heart rate and contribute to burning calories and reducing overall body fat, including the belly region. Consistently incorporating the boat pose in your exercise routine, along with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise, can be an effective way to burn belly fat and improve overall health and fitness. Number 5. Standing side crunch. The standing side crunch is a great exercise to target your stomach and thighs. Whether you're looking to tone and shape or build strength in your core, the standing side crunch can provide you with the challenge and results you're looking for. To start, stand upright with feet shoulder width apart and hold your arms out straight in front of you. Then, twist your torso diagonally while bending downward towards your left knee with the right hand reaching towards the floor. You'll feel the contraction and burn. Unwind back up to the original position, then do the same thing towards your right knee this time. Continuing this alternating pattern is an effective way to build strength and stabilization throughout these muscle groups. Give it a try and witness amazing results. Number 4. Russian twist. The Russian twist is an excellent exercise to work on both your stomach and thighs. It requires you to intensify your core muscles while engaging your legs. The best way to do the Russian twist is to start by sitting on the floor with back flat and legs bent, feet slightly below the knee, and hands at chest level. From this position, you will twist from side to side, making sure to keep your balance as you do it. Doing this for just a few minutes daily can build strong abdomen and quadriceps, muscles that provide great support for other activities in your routine. Furthermore, regular performance of the Russian twist promotes joint flexibility as well as improving muscle tone. These positive effects enable you to better engage in stronger physical activity while avoiding injury at the same time. Number 3. Hamstring curl with resistance band. Working out is often seen as an intimidating task, but exercise like the hamstring curl with a resistance band can be simple and effective for those just getting started. Not only does it target the stomach and thigh muscles that can be difficult to focus on, but it promotes mobility and uses only one tool, so you don't need to purchase any extra equipment. To do this exercise, place a resistance band over your feet while lying face down, then draw your heels towards your glutes as you squeeze both abdominal muscles. The exercise should be repeated 10-15 times to get the most of the benefits. So add hamstring curls with a resistance band into your regular routine and watch those tummy and thighs muscles start to tone up fast. Number 2. Wall sit. Wall sits are a great exercise for building strength and toning your stomachs and thighs. The move may look simple, but your body is actually working hard to stabilize itself. To get the most out of this exercise, start by standing with your back against a wall. Slide down until your quads are parallel to the ground and make sure that your knees are directly above your ankles. Hold yourself in that position as long as you comfortably can, and also making sure not to let your knees bow outwards or collapse inward. You should feel this work primarily in the lower half of your body, particularly across the front of your thighs and in the lower abdomen. The best part about the wall sit is that you don't need any equipment, just some dedication and time. And finally, number 1, glute bridge. Exercising can sometimes be hard and intimidating, but one great exercise to strengthen the stomach and thighs are glute bridges. This amazing exercise is easy to perform and can be completed in the comfort of your own home. All that is needed for glute bridge exercises is a surface such as a carpeted floor or an exercise mat. To do these exercises, first lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent. From there, start to feel your abdominal muscles engage as you press firmly into the ground and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from spine to kneecaps. Lastly, Hold the position for approximately 10 seconds, returning to the starting position afterward. With this simple yet efficient exercise, you can feel toned and strong muscles in no time. Check out this video, 10 simple exercises to reduce waist fat, love handles, abs in 14 days. And also, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.